Hello everyone. Let's understand data types available in Python. Data types are nothing but the type of data we want to store within a Python variable. For example, if we want to store a string, then the data type will be str, which is nothing but string. If we want to store some values like 5 or 102, some whole numbers, it will be integer, comes under numbers. Similarly, we can also use the decimal values like 5.25 or 100.0. It will be float. Apart from this, we can also store true or false, and data type will be bool. For float, it is also a kind of number. For bool is nothing but boolean. There is a special data type called none. Type of this data is also none. Only one value possible for none type, which is none. These are the basic data types of Python. Apart from this, we also have another set of data types called list. List basically stores a number of values. For example, we can store 2, 4, 9. Not only similar type of values, it can also store 5.25, I mean float value, as well as string. We also have set. Set can also store a number of values, but set has a very specific property that it can only store unique values. So it can have 2, 4, 9, but it cannot have multiple nines like this. We have tuple. Tuple can also store items like list. We also have dictionaries, which can store key value pairs, something like this, where name is the key and John is the value, age is the key and 34 is the value. Now let's understand, when we are talking about list, set, tuple and dictionaries, what are the specific feature of each and every data type. Starting from list, as you can see, list is in square bracket and we can put any kind of value, as many number as possible. So list is an ordered set. We can access via index. duplicates are allowed. Okay, and changeable. Changeable in the sense we can change any value within a list. For example, if we want to change the index 0 of this list from 2 to 4, it is possible. Tuple is also ordered. Duplicates are allowed. Accessible using index. Not changeable. So we cannot change the value present in tuple. Let's discuss about set. Unordered. Cannot accessible using index. Duplicates are not possible. About dictionary, it stores key value pairs. Keys are unique. Unordered. These are the features of list, set, tuple, and dictionary. Just to summarize, list and tuples are more or less same, but in tuple we cannot change the values, whereas in list we can change the values. In case of set, it's unordered, but it cannot store duplicate values in set. Similarly, in dictionary, though they are key value pairs, keys has to be unique, and both are unordered. So we cannot access using the indexes. Let's go to PyCharm and write some code related to data types in Python. I'm in PyCharm environment. Let me create a Python file. Okay. In this example, we have only discussed about the basic data types. Let's say a city is keeping Bangalore in it. Age is 34, marks is 98.75%. Is programmer true? That means yes, it is a programmer. Or I have taken one more variable, sample variable, and assigned it to none. Let's see how can we see the data types of each and every variables we have you initialized here. To check the data type function in Python, let's run this code so that we will get more info about it. Let's compare it along with our print statements. Here, if you see, it's a string. We can clearly understand if it is a single quote, it is string. We can use single quote or double quote. Both are okay in case of Python. So that means so single quote or double quote, both are same in case of Python. You can use any one of them. After this, next print is nothing but an integer, whereas 98.75 is a float. True or false will be a boolean, and none is used for, it's a very special kind of Python data type which will be used to initialize a variable when we don't know what will be the value of that variable. This is called none type. When we run this, as you can see, it's nothing but a list. We can use index to fetch the value like this. If we see this example here, we can easily edit or change the value present in the list. As you can see here, I have changed the index 1 value. What was the old value? It was 4, and the new value is 0, as you can see, as I have assigned it via this syntax. So change is possible. In our next example in set, let me run this program. As you can see, the type is set here. The type of the variable is nothing but set. When I'm printing this, if you see, the order got changed, and that is the reason set is an unordered data type. It's not maintaining the order here. Now, if we change and add one more tool here, just to check if it can take the duplicate values or not. That means in this case, if I run this, you see here we have two twos in sample set with duplicates, but one more two is not here. So that means set does not support duplicate values. Let's discuss about tuple. I have created a tuple here with some values. It can be heterogeneous values. That means few of them are integers, float, and string as well. If I print these tuples, type of this variable, it's showing tuple here. If I want to access with its index, it's showing 2. But when I am trying to change the value of a tuple, it's giving me some error. Read this error. Tuple object does not support item assignment. That means we cannot change the tuple values here. Now if we rerun, there will be no error. Let me run this program to understand dictionary in detail. Here if you see, the type of sample dictionary variable is DICT or dictionary. If we want to print the whole dictionary, we can put it under print and it will print all the key value pairs of dictionary. If we want to get a specific value of a key, we can always use .get function, which will give us the value of a specific key. But when I am adding a new key value pair, which is exactly same with the existing key value pair, it is ignoring the duplicates, as you can see here. Like said, dictionary also cannot take duplicates. Let's go back and summarize the session. So we have learned the basic data types like string, integer, float, boolean, and none. Few other data types like list, set, tuple, and dictionaries. We also understood what are the differences among list, tuple, set, and dictionaries. Thank you for watching this video.